Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Netatmo Weather Station with Smart Home Alerts. Start by unpacking your Netatmo Weather Station from its box. Place the outdoor module in a shaded area, ideally on a wall or a pole, at least 1.5 meters. Ensure that the outdoor module is not facing direct sunlight or rain. Next, insert the batteries into the outdoor module. Then, take the indoor module and place it in a central location within your home. Once both modules are in position, download the Netatmo Weather application from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Select the option to add a new device within the app. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the outdoor module. Once scanned, the app will establish a connection with the outdoor module. Next, the app will ask you to set up your indoor module. Confirm that both modules are connected in sync to your Wi-Fi network. After configuration, navigate to the Settings tab in the app. Look for the section labeled Alerts or Notifications. Here, you can customize which weather alerts you wish to receive. Choose from options like temperature changes, humidity levels, or air quality alerts. Select the preferred notification methods, such as push notifications or email alerts. Save your alert settings to ensure they are activated. To further enhance your smart home experience, integrate the Netatmo Weather Station with your existing smart home system, if applicable. Follow the provided instructions within the app for integration with platforms like Google Assistant or Amazon. Test the alerts to ensure they are functioning properly. Monitor the readings and notifications through the app for ongoing updates on weather conditions. Feel free to adjust your settings as needed to suit your preferences. Enjoy precise weather information and smart home alerts tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.